Are you a student, business owner, tech enthusiast, or someone that just needs some assistance in the area of technology? itdesk.tv is a gold mine for you. Now we address all your technology questions and your needs. Computers, phones, coding, the troubleshooting software issues. It's like having your own personal IT expert at your fingertips. If you have a question, just ask here on any of the videos. An agent will respond at no cost to you. Welcome to the IT Desk community.
Dirty work what me I do?
Yeah.
Eh? Because I want to buy one car. Sit down right here, so. I want to buy one car. I have some of my money already, and I have to work very hard because I don't want you to suffer. I make sure I take care of you the best I can. Because you see a dirty papa, me and him can't agree. And him are the reason why I have to do that kind of dirty work here. Then dirty work, they work kind of dirty. Then dirty. So I have to walk and wash people dirty clothes. Just to send you to school, sweep up people dirty yard, just to make you survive. But remember, my son, don't give up. I am a survivor. You are a survivor. We are struggling, we are hustler. We are real struggling and hustler in a real life. You understand?
Yes,
so we don't believe in a quitting. You see all them dirty work what me do? Eh?
Yes,
we have to sweep up people place because I have to buy a car. You understand?
Yeah.
So when you want to go to school and you don't have no fear, I just drop you off. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So
Mommy, you don't want me help you?
no man, no worry yourself, my baby. Just sit down. Me we go and do it. Me we stay in the dirty
sure?
work. Yeah man, me sure.
Alright.
No worry yourself. You're young, you know. And me have to mind you, you know. Because you see your father, the only thing your father do, you know, is go up on the road and look girl and waste out his money. That's why I came to a family court, because he don't want to give you nothing at all. If you're hungry at me, if you want clothes at me, you want food at me, everything at me. You see all them dirty man there? Me sorry say me meet them. Me sorry say me breed for them. But me not sorry say me have you. Because me know you have to come out to something good in a real life, you know. You're my son, you know. You have to come out with whole heap of subjects and make a little dirty man see how me work hard to make you reach where you reach. And you see your father say, you see when you grow up big, me know when you treat no woman, so you know. Make sure so when you get big, when you turn adult and they have woman, you take care of your youth, no run left your mother. Make sure so you mind your pitney, so your child can come up and love you and know so you're a real daddy. Your father where you have a mistake me make and go breed for the dirty drunkard, but don't worry yourself, you have to come to something in a real life.
Don't worry yourself,
Me love you,
I
my
make
son.
you proud, man.
Yeah man, me know say you go make me proud, you're a good boy. Me not give up on you, you hear?
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, man.
Wham. You don't remember about the thing when I did ask about from the other day? Eh?
Earth, you have to understand one thing. You know. I tell you to me forward, right? But the time when kind of rough, come here to start out so something rough. Come in, man. Come in.
So, me not understand how you walk and you want to your car.
The car broke down all long, but me just a final get a little money now to fix up it. Don't get some live.
Oh, don't you so? Okay.
Come in, Earth. Well, I say a long day, me have work. Oh my God. Yeah, come. Oh gosh, tell her. So, Earth, where is you going now?
You know, remember something I did talk to you about the other day? I want if you do something and it's very, very important. And that's the exactly amount of money they want. All at one time because I need to just pay for you something one time, I go give you back, and I go give you back some interest on it.
You give me some interest on it?
Yeah, I give you back. When you say me to give you back at that time, I give you back. I just want to start out something now. I have some money to get, but because that the money there, all the people them not carrying their hand yet. I want partner me in, but as soon as me get it,
understand that.
I go give it back.
Alright, you must then. You feel like say, so cause the car, I want to fix up the car this weekend. Because I know you're a good person still, because you know, fifth.
And car parts expensive, you know?
Know, say, eh?
Car parts expensive.
Very expensive. I say part about 2-3 weeks now. So I really want to sort it out, you understand? Because, I understand, because when my brother called me and tell me, say, you're in a dire need, I know, say, boy, I have to help you out. You understand, Earth? So, but the thing is this, give me a date when we can get it back. That type of problem. I have no other problem, but me
no, listen here now. Listen me.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get no date. Remember, say a partner. A partner, me join with people and I win the bank, I get the money.
We have to understand my circumstances.
I know, but...
I have to fix up my vehicle. But just because I get used to the fact that I walk and now I take a taxi, I have one bridge in my car and drop me at my yard and rate it. But I finally get the money. So you have to understand, say, I do you a favor now, so you have to do me a favor of telling me when. Just give me a date, that's all I want to know.
I'm not telling a lie, I can't get no date. You see some of the people when I partner, they don't show their hand good. But I know say me forget last draw and the partner soon done you know. So I soon get my draw. As soon as them bring in all right now, then
just
the
give me a date now, that's all I want, just give me a time. You have to give me a time.
3 months time before the partner done and I may forget last draw. I don't know which day she said she go give me it. She said as soon as she get it when they carry in their hand.
But that pull certain things and then because you have the last draw in 3 months time and you look for the next 3 months, you get back your money.
No, you know see, Dwayne, you look like you know see the year just start and 2 months gone out it already.
Yeah, but it's 3 months more or 5 months.
But me I tell her say, 2 months fly out like a 2 day. So you can imagine 3 months, it come like a 3 day. You just lend me something, man, because you know some want it for use. God knows if I want him, I wouldn't come to you. I mean, asked you for a long time already, and you promised me.
I know what I promise you, but I just because I understand the circumstances. Because it's never circumstance right now.
I know, I understand, but as soon as I get my partner job, I carry on you, and then I have some little money in one little corner, tie up where, you know, they stay for a long time, but try fixed deposit. I can't get in either, so anytime the time come, I just take it. Put some money and give it. I'll give back. Yeah, man, I'll give back one money for it. For real. So you can't just lend me it, man. Please, me I beg. You can send it to my account, you know.
I can send it to your account?
Yes, just send it straight to my account.
That would be better for me because I going to tell you where I go to a bank.
I don't like talk about my number, make people hear, so let me give it.
No, I'm going to give it, man, because as I say...
No, let me give you my account number now.
I open my phone and give you my password. So we are... Act like you know my password.
No, true, you are type like you are typing my account number like you know it already.
It's a rough, but it's alright. Because I tell you a bank, I have to go, and then tomorrow I'm going to give you money. But I'm glad to see a bank account still. Alright.
Just send it to it, man.
Alright, by the end of the day, you'll get it. Just call me and confirm so you get your money in your account. Yeah?
Yeah, me did
Because-
let my phone pan charge, so when me go down, me check it.
Yeah, because the good thing about it is Scotia to Scotia right away. You understand? Earth, me depend upon you, you know. 3 months time, me just go and use it. Because I realize say, me work in a hotel, Heaven Villa. And the only thing I can do now is just...
But Dwayne, if you stop going so with me, you know.
How me going?
Because when I did it on your face and me when they help you, you know.
That's why I help you right now. And that is
And a
circumstance, you know.
maintenance work you do at hotel.
Mm.
So me know say you get good pay.
Yeah, I get good pay, but it's not about the pay right now, it's about getting my thing done. I mean, I help you out right now if you get that.
But you're not fair going, so like I said, this money, you definitely you depend on.
Yes, sir, this money. Of course, the money just buy. You know how much you fix the car? You know how much you buy one engine? That type of problem, you know. And you know how much you man charge me to take out the engine and put it? You man charge me 100,000 to take out the engine and put it back in total that workmanship.
Just that alone?
That,
For that the amount of money there?
you don't understand, say, if you deal with the engine, if you buy back
That's
an
all them
engine.
man they will fix car.
Mechanic.
So like me have to go there do a mechanic because them a charge you enough money to fix no car, man.
Oh yeah, boy. Me I was, I'm forget to say very sarcastic. But you are going now. I'm tired. I'm going to go.
Sarcastic, that you talk about them a mechanic man yeah. Are so damn terrible. Are so much money to fix just one little engine in a
I
one
want
car.
work, you know.
Oh, a whole power.
I want work to get
Oh,
done.
and it take time
and
to
it take
show.
time to get done.
Yeah,
you
got
see,
to.
funniest thing about some people, because remember say a maintenance we do in our hotel, you know. Some people not understand say them fi know how to do these things, to get the knowledge, it take years. It might look easy, but you have to understand say the knowledge what over the years me gain.
And you work hard for do and me can't do it, so
you
they
can
must
do
know
it.
why
So,
them a charge
because
so
if you
much
fi do
money.
it right now, it's going to take you years to actually understand what to do. You understand me? I say this now for him. If we give him money and everything, me can't get back my car in a 2 days. You know what I mean? But you have to get the money.
Boy, mechanic, them skill though, they must have make some serious money.
I
You have to go there with one of them.
But it's easy. I was going to win, eh? Earth, you are going. Me have to go. I'll be in a second.
So I'm to the girl you're in it, but you don't find out money.
Let me tell you something, man. You have to stop asking me about them questions because you have to tell you something really depend on them second long thing yet. But just come out of a relationship, you know.
Alright,
And the woman
alright.
kind of went terrible certain way.
Alright,
You
later,
understand?
me got. Come
Yeah,
out to your
come on, man.
business, alright.
Hey, 3 months time, you tell me, you know. Me depend on you. Don't let me down earth. You understand me I say? Alright, come on. More people start your business and get
The
you
way
here.
you know it's everything good with me already and you know.
Alright, know yourself. Because me
Alright.
can help you.
Yeah, man.
Each one help one.
Dwayne! Dwayne! Babe, I wish for you there. Oh, you had me there, you know? Me never here sit down and wait for you. Come over here, me and call me not here nobody. Me and say, I wish for you could have time. Come here, say, you're a man like this, and I really like left your yard if you not know personal for do, you know. So. You soon come? Alright then. Me there still and wait. Alright. Oh God. care, me there so wait for you.
Wait for me for what? Wait for me for?
What you mean by you?
Me tell you this.
Me bag them here, you know.
When I don't say done a relationship done.
Done way.
Yes.
Look here. Let me say something to you. Relationship have ups and downs. That's the reason why in a relationship.
No, me down.
Look here,
me
look
down.
here, ship is something that go up and down.
No, this a ship a down. This a ship a
What
down.
you mean
You
down?
know what I want to stop acting like you don't know what I want, man.
This a ship I can't sink.
Remember,
It
you know,
cannot.
listen to me. Remember, say we arrange and we agree. Say we are gonna move on.
I
and you
alone
move out.
agree say we are move on. Not because we move out, that means say we're not there. Look here, lock chat and come up in the head where they make me go on in here, man.
What you talking about going?
What you mean by?
Brittany, listen to me. I said to you, don't make things get out of hand. Cause we the one neighbor.
Me ask you a question. What you mean by?
Take time.
I'm
I
up in
nice. Me
market
can't
mouth.
take it.
Make me up in my mouth. Look here. See, you can't just say we left just like that. Just not because I just take a couple of my things and I move out, that means.
Yeah, but for you move out, that means you make a decision, Brittany. And that I think me I tell you.
Look here, just
Where you went there? Where you went gone? Where you move gone? Me no know where you
me
go.
did there.
So how me fi know say up your mother you went there?
Well, I up them me did there.
How me fi know that? Me can't trust your words like that. You not to call me and say, alright, me reach my mother and this and that. Even though when vexed when you left out.
Just calm down on this.
Me fi calm down. But listen. Worst thing about it is that every time me work, you feel say me no work. It's like it's like you don't appreciate nothing what me I do. Another type thing.
Appreciate
What,
anything.
you know, so why you move gone then?
Because
The car broke down out there, so and for the car broke down, it's like everything broke down because me can't go here and there no more if you call taxi or walk out the road and so on.
but me not like it.
So
My mother have a car, so make she me just go up there and like up here car work, she carry me go wherever I want to go.
but listen to me. If you don't stick through the thick and the thin, I'm gonna know so you really there so for me, for real.
But me there fear, you know
How?
that.
No, I don't know. They gone left me. No, you come bulldozer and I say, wait, you call me like all is well and everything's sweet and nice and babe call me
Then
on
everything
phone.
is sweet and nice.
How if it's sweet and nice?
Oh, come on, just I'll go inside. Everything's so sweet and nice. Come on, hold a bag of me, please. Come on, no, man. Here, I'll chop. What listen?
No. Alright,
Just come on, no.
no, could talk from you, sir.
No,
I
want
see
to
them all,
talk
see
in
them
the
all, I
house.
see
You
them all,
can't
see them
buy
all,
me
I see them all, see them all. Are
food.
different
You
things.
me.
Cause even if my friend come here, I check for you, I say, where you there and then sitting there.
Look
I
here,
mean,
no, man. Just calm down. We don't want to neighbor then hear we are talking. But I'll go in the house go talk. Please. I'll go in the house go talk. Here.
Brittany, don't make me sorry for what
You're
I'm
not
going
gonna make him mistake again.
Cause we go back and forth instead of forward.
You may go inside or not?
Come in, man. Sometimes you see, you have muggling and walkie.
Mommy, you know, say, if any other day I want to talk to you, though. I like how you work hard to send me to school, and so when I get big, I have to take care of you. And daddy, boy, I don't know what going for you, but I just hope, say, I get all of my subjects and get a good job, and that I can take care of you in our life. Because you really deserve it. Because you put in the work to make sure so I go to school, and I eat, and I have a place to sleep. And I thank you. And I love you so much.
All right, my son. You know some I love you, don't you?
Yes, ma'am.
And any work me have to do to make you survive, as long as I not thief me a thief or do nothing bad, me go do it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you have to come out prosperous and successful in a real life. Real life, you have to come out to something because you know see sufferation we are going in Jamaica. Me no want you come stand up on the roadside and smoke and drink when you get big, you know.
No, I do that.
When you get big, me no want you in there something that appears that turn up and they beg your friend them when you and them did in the same class all $100, you know. When me look me see a smoke cigarette and a bun spliff and I beg people whistle and lighter, you know. Me want you come out progressive. And you have the brain. The teacher them always tell me say you have the potential to do it. So me know you can do it. So do your best, work up to your best ability. You have to get it. Just make up your mind. You're going to reach there, my son. You know, so I love you, here.
I love you. Yes,
Anyway, Me like how you grow up to a nice little young man. Very ambitious. And although you're dirty thinking father, not take care of you. You see when you get big, if you see him and want to give him anything, give him. Because I don't want no bad blessing take me sake of drunk. You hear what me say?
Yes, man.
Okay, it's up to you if you don't want to give him. But you see me now, I want for my heart and my conscience to set free. Give him, help him. Help him make him say come out to something good. Alright, here we go now. I did cook some food and left in my house. So, I want you to go up there, share out some, and eat it. Left some for later when you're hungry. You hear me?
Yes, man.
Because I have some hustling to do. Real hustling. Because you have to go to school. I don't want you miss school not even one day. You hear me I tell you?
Yes, man.
Because I don't like Pitney love school. They don't mean themselves no good. Take in all what you can take in at school now. Because a whole heap of we you see big and all here, wish we could have gone to school. Right now. Here? Because some of we don't like a bat, not even we name we can't spell. You hear what me say?
Yes, man.
You know say me love you. Take care of yourself. Go on up, go eat. Because I know say you're most hungry now. Later.
Alright, man.
Yes. Alright.
Can't get hurt. Yeah, Earth, me I leave a message, and this is a message from Dwayne, yeah? Just try see if you can link me up and let me know when me can come link you, because I try to get through to you, me can't get through to you. I want to know when me can get the money from you. So just let me know, say me can link you up at so and so time. This is you remember say we make an arrangement and tell me say come check you at that time. But obviously something must be wrong with your phone. You might have to pass up your house tomorrow and say me can come link you. Right? So when you get that message at Earth, just please just contact me. Alright? Thank you very much. Alright, cool. I mean, I get ready for go to work, but it's like I'm trying to
You better say that to me, obviously, so I don't want to hear what.
No, I know that. It's because we don't want to cause no problem. Because you see, we have been having a wonderful moment thus far, and I appreciate the fact that you're back here and it sounds like it depends the partnership thing with me and you and so forth. But
Just tell me.
you remember my brother named Earth?
Earth.
Mm.
Yeah.
Richie's sister. For a long time we grew up together and all these things. So we have a lot of history. Which day she called me and she told me that she want money to borrow.
Borrow.
Yeah.
You know, Sir Ernest, she's not trustworthy. So I know you talk about borrow. You go married?
Then already.
You like a brain?
I hear now. Me finally making money to fix up the car, but she come and she talk and she say she'll go buy some black and stone and steel and start one little thing because she and her youth, you know, when kind of in one situation where they want to move out of both. Huh?
See, you lend money to fix the car.
I know you go vex, you know.
So I must vex.
But understand
You should
why.
at least talk to me about this before you do it. You shouldn't do that, not because you never come from far.
But I couldn't talk to you, I say never there.
Call me have a phone.
Yeah, but me never there on no time. Me never, right now, to be honest with you, I not even expect say you don't really come back in my life. Because which day she come and me I tell her, I say, me end a relationship and me I start afresh and all these things and wait. Me never know say that the back. Yes, sir.
Me never know say brain this teeny tiny. Me never know that.
It's not that problem. Me can't get her up on her phone.
What you say? How much money you lend her?
350,000.
$350 you mean, right? No, $350 you mean, right?
You must send a man. This.
350,000?
Man, I tell you, star. Yeah, man.
How if you make such a big mistake? How?
And no matter how mistaken about when somebody like that link you and say, yo, them are do so and so, and them
Yeah.
say, next 3 months, she said she gonna give me back the money. See? So when she now said that, me say, alright, fine, because she say she last
You
to get
must
drawn her
look here.
partner.
You never come from far. You don't know her by now.
No, I never know that side of her. She not show me that side of her. I just inquire a little bit about certain things about her, because I can't get her on her phone. So I start inquire certain things. And she, you know, they tell me say, but see,
Ella.
that's
On the
correct.
phone, you'll mash up.
They tell me say, she's not really trustworthy, but she's a hard-working person.
Hard working way.
Yeah, I don't know what to do right now. But waiting for you. If we go to police station, because
Yeah.
I hear me
You
go.
not even have to think twice.
Hear me go. I go up our yard and check.
You want me come with him? Come here, angler for you.
No man, not this time. Just let me go first. Next time you might can forward. But we find out what I'm going first, and then if yeah.
But I'm not like you need to know what I'm going. You need to know what I'm going. If I go up there and she again an attitude, just ring me. Come here, make sure I have my phone. So as me see the phone, I ring me and answer it.
I think me feel say maybe her phone mash up and she just can't get through to me. Me feel
Phone
say
mash
that.
up?
Yeah, because
Phone mash up.
yeah.
You know what? Go on. No, go to her now. Now too. We say I work, I say I go, right?
I forgot work first and then later I'm
Go on.
Yeah,
Go on
go
to
cook.
work for her now.
you go.
Yeah, me will cook.
Boy you go.
I don't know what you want.
Red pea soup.
Soup. Alright.
Come, you know,
Yeah.
I'm gonna feel too well from me hear the news and thing.
Just cut. See this right there now. Just go on to work.
So come on. Yeah?
Alright.
Get all up. Earth! Earth!
How would
What go on? How your mother there?
what I do, you know, say mommy not there though. She just drive out Ghana watch it.
Can I watch it?
Yeah,
Drive out?
yeah.
Say mother, so I went to my car.
She just buy a new car. Oh, you don't know, me think you're not her friend.
Yeah, my friend and she come ask me a favor which Monday and she. So hold on. Yeah, tell me say your mother buy car
Yeah.
and drive
just
Ghana
buy-
watch it.
Just Ghana watch.
Just gone too long.
Yeah, not too
I want
long.
to say she come back.
She not tell me when she a come back, but she not come back, you know.
She
Cause
not
we
come
are
back now.
watch it, she gone.
Alright, thank you for telling me, because I guess I know, you see. At 3 months now, I wait and I come every day and first me see you. Look like I become a holiday. I get to see you right now. But tell her, say, you never see. Well, I can't tell her that. But just tell her, say, do it when pass through and it soon pass back when she come. Yeah?
Alright.
I just tell her, say, we can't do it. Alright?
Alright, me make sure you know.
Just tell her for that.
Alright,
No
yeah,
bother,
man.
talk about the car and everything like a something big plan. Yes, sir?
Yeah, man,
But
no
give
problem.
thanks, respect, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, my boy.
Come on, my son. You know say me love you, not true?
I love you too, mommy.
You love me too? And make sure say, you see that car here? When me buy, no tell nobody say me buy a car, you know?
No, man, me not tell nobody.
You sure say you not tell nobody?
I'm sure, man.
Me no want not even the hands, the post, nor the rat, nor the dog, nor the drunk or you say me buy a car because people bad mind.
I know, man.
And I the one car me have for carry go school anywhere you want go. You hear? Not even your friend them at school, not tell them say your mother have car.
Me not tell
You
nobody.
see if they see me they come in night, come pick you up from school no time at all. If me can get the chance to come, tell them say, I'm a mother that, but I'm friend car. You and me know say I feel me car, me no want nobody know say me buy car. Me scared of bad mind people. You hear me say me son?
Nah, tell
You know
nobody.
say me love you. The ice cream tastes good, not you? Alright, me love you my baby. Come on. Go on in my car.
Wake up, no man.
I'm going to work.
Which work? Look here, we not talk about that now. We need to go up on earth. Me not sleep good last night because me I think about the money. And I come later say you're mad to come and ask if you're going to work for your day off.
Never.
So we say we are because we need to go up there, you know. We can't wait no longer time for the car fix. Me tired for your walk and I take taxi. Me not like it.
Brittany, listen to me, man.
Listen to you with what? You afraid her?
I'm afraid
me
her,
go
man.
there myself, you know. Me
Well,
go up there myself.
No, don't bother go up. Don't bother go up.
Then come on then.
Well, on, man, so me just wake up and you just rush me, so.
Go wash your face, man. Come on.
So, what if she not up there?
What you mean she not up there? We look for her then.
I know. And
She always there one chill spot, I want bar. Don't me tell her bar. Where bar the name? Me don't remember what her name, but me I go show you where she know there she had this so we are go. We have to find her this so. Cause she not nothing good for do.
Right.
And when me see her, me I go shame her, me I go disrespect her.
Calm down, the man. Brittany, that me can't bother with you, man.
Look here. Yeah, chat about me, but she phone mash up. If she phone mash up, she don't know where you live.
That's
She
true.
can't find a yard. Eh? You know what? Let's go.
Well,
Come
just
on.
give me just wake up. Just give me just 5 minutes. Me
Hello.
me get my brain a little bit, man. Just wake up and a long time you wake up, you know, man.
You figure see I hear money? I hear money and me concerned about it. Like they say I didn't come like say you're not grateful.
So,
You're not grateful, not true?
what you want to sort out?
Come on, man.
What you want to sort out?
What you mean?
Because obviously you pressure me if you get the money, I must something you up to. What you up to?
No care if you sort out, no care money you give her.
Alright, just give me 1 minute. Let me just rest off a little bit and then we just get ready and we go down so. Yeah, I'm tired enough, man. Yesterday,
Me tired to come and get no rest last night. You get rest, me not get none. So come on.
Brittany, I'm not coming and see you sleep. Just relax some. Alright. Just give me 5 minutes and come on, come on.
5 minutes is long.
Just give me 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Yeah? Just give me 5 more. Alright, just go drink. Make some tea for me. I can't come. By the time tea ready, me ready. Yeah?
Full of style, though, full of craft.
Tell us that. I'm gonna really can't do it, man.
Me I set time I don't remember.
Alright.
5 minutes.
Alright. Can't so fast in the bush.
Come on, what you mean by?
Take time to walk in the bush. No?
Hello, money, we are going to know. I want some money too, so I never take time to walk. One time I go over there, it's here.
No, I can't so fast. I'm
Come on,
thinking.
Earth. Hello. Me ask you a question. Come on for the phone. You not give me money. Eh? You come up pause. Are you me I talk to? At 3 months I tell him 3 months pass and gone. You not chat about phone, mash up my phone that.
Earth, you really do me this,
Look here,
Earth?
you need to step up in your life, baby girl. Because
Earth,
look here,
you-
me talk because you're too soft. You too soft. Look here, in car need to get fixed. I will need the money to fix the car because I'm tired for walk foot. I'm tired to take taxi. I'm not in that. So it's either you give me money or what?
Earth, me say buy car, true?
Buy car. Buy car. How are you mute? Somebody press play for me there, please. Come on, no man.
A style you come to style me?
No, I come to load up my mouth. Because at 3 months now. 3 months
You're-
pass and gone.
Oi.
Hold
Me
my
make
phone
you
for me
talk.
there, man.
Let me
Because
talk.
if she stand up, I'm ready for her.
Me make you talk, so allow me. Make me talk. You
Talk.
ask me things, me
No,
answer you.
talk.
Me and you in a business?
No, you have a man in a business. That means me and you in a business too.
Me and you know in a no business. Me and your man in a business. So get that straight.
And you forget that shit. You forgot to say my man, not yours. You
Earth,
forgot that?
Earth,
I'm
Earth.
kind of firm on that.
Earth, just listen to me, I said, man. What really are going with the money?
Do you know all you? A style you style me, you know. If you say we are
No,
friends
come
enough for
find
you long, you know.
hand on my man's face.
I
you
tell you,
hear?
carry a woman come to come style me and cuss me.
Yeah, me have to style you.
Listen, man. Earth, me call your phone, you not answer your phone for 3 months.
Something did wrong with me
So
phone.
how you have your phone in your ears? I use a while ago where I come.
You look like you know you when me just say. Something did wrong with my phone.
Did?
My phone just fixed yesterday.
So why you never call me yesterday when the phone fixed?
Why me I call
You're
you
on a
yesterday?
different phone
How you
call.
used to know?
Maybe me oh me son off.
Oh, you son
Look
no.
here, me supposed to be no.
Earth, what you
Mr.
do? What you do?
Posto.
What you
I want.
do?
I want to come warn me.
Earth,
Hold on there.
Earth.
I carry a woman come to come beat me.
Earth.
No,
Eh?
no, take you
I
off.
money more.
Take you
Carry a
off.
woman come to
No,
come
me
beat me.
me one carry me.
No, we're not gonna this time. That's the way
Relax
slippers
the
can do. Your slippers can defend you.
Relax the
Your
man.
slippers can defend
Relax
you.
the man. Yo, I know where I'm come from. Want the money more.
So what problem? Why she come around and start calling out
Talk
of
about the
her
money.
mouth?
Alright, talk about the
Eh?
money. What money you got?
Me in a business.
Yes.
Yes, when you're ready to talk to me by yourself, me and you alone,
Earth,
you can't talk
3
to me.
months we can't get you something.
and not 3 months yet, a 2 months and 4
Anytime
days
you
now.
see me
I
money,
mean
I
2
see
months
it
and 2
too.
days.
So you have
At
only per
3
week left.
Let me say what fi do what? Fi do what?
I will give her a broad
Wait,
gold, you
wait,
know. No,
Relax
lick
the
me.
man.
No, lick me, make it. No, touch me. I let her feel touch me.
Oitago.
Touch me now.
Oitago, talk
Louis,
to
that's
me
you?
now. Let me say me.
I can't you me always lend me money. No, me now work and borrow your money. You come and
You
tell me
look
and
how much
carry
money-
woman
You
come
look
to
at
come in.
The most
5,000
exactly
them.
$5,000 you talk about.
$5,000.
Now me get this.
The amount of $5,000 with me lend you, what you feel like? You take it go feed her. You forgot what you
Feed
tell me say,
who?
when you come to me for money for the sheets and for yam. Eh?
Yo, alright, sit down.
Sit down for what?
Yeah, come on.
Sit down, what you mean?
Sit down,
The bad
we have to
let
talk
her go.
now.
She's
Wait
bull
a
buck
minute,
and duppy.
Anyway.
Let her go now.
Let me tell you something.
Mm.
You see the money when me borrow from you,
Mm.
me use it and do something. You understand?
Do what?
And let me tell you something. You see, if I carry a woman come to come warm my feet,
I see, Earth.
it don't make no sense.
So me not get back my money.
Look how much time me give you money, you don't give me back.
Wait
So
a
why if
minute.
me not give
You
you
two will lie you.
Look here, me never tell us something now give
Me
you
sure
money.
you have 50,000 you talk about
What
not
if me
give me
not
back.
give you it right now?
When me say
Go
not give me
give
back.
you back, but me not have it right now for you.
Why?
Me do one little business with you and as soon as me get you get it.
Look at business.
Look here.
Look at business.
Earth, I really say you deal with me, Earth.
You
You
know.
come on me yard and me give and you explain to what you do.
No, make you touch me. Me want her to touch me.
Earth, you come on me
Put
yard.
on a station feel. Touch me.
And you talk about the money
Touch
and me
me.
lend her the money. And I say you deal with me, Earth.
No, touch me.
Come on, Tommy.
So when me
No,
get the money?
touch me.
When me can't get my money? When me can't get my money? When me
You
can't
see
get
if
my
you go
money?
question me, how you do? How
Me
you
ask
do?
you a question. When me can't get my
How
money?
you do?
Let me say what
Interview
me
me in
do.
front of your girl.
Let me interview.
Yeah, interview.
Who
Yeah,
you
private
call get
investigator.
old man?
Oh, man.
Hey.
Earth,
Hey.
this number one to you.
Yes, sir.
She have
Well, me
all
cannot
right
move
to
out
be
of the
upset.
way.
But she have all
Why you
right to
care?
be upset.
She have all right to be
What you
upset.
mean? Because
Okay, all right. Since your
you
career come to deal with the matter, move now. What me cannot take for
No,
yourself?
make she warm me.
No,
Me no make she
hold on,
warm me
hold on,
now.
hold on,
Make
hold
she
on.
touch me.
Just give me 1 minute, me talk to her. 1 minute, yeah?
Yeah,
You see,
go
yes, so
on.
come me, you understand?
Yeah,
here.
go on, go on.
Earth, I see you really a deal with me.
You're lucky to me know you a long time.
Earth,
I carry your woman come to beat me doing me no
Forget
want you
about
nothing
that,
from
forget about
you. Forget about what?
You style me.
Me and you
At
in a
3
business,
months-
not your girl.
No, but
and if me
3
borrow money from you, you're supposed to come to me by yourself. You don't have no right to care if you come here, so come and go and like she want come exalt her little
Alright.
dirty cockroach self.
How we
for
gonna
me.
work out this right now? So
Me
what you
don't
say?
tell us as soon as we get
When
to me,
me
go
say
give
soon
you
as I
money.
get
Look how
it,
much time you
at
borrow
3
money
months
from
done.
me. I mean, if you wait until you come
At
give
3
me.
months gone, you tell me 3
I mean, no
months.
complain to nobody.
3
What
months.
is-
Yeah, but
yeah, so what? So what? So what? Me use it. Me borrow it for use it. Me never borrow it for keep it.
I see I deal with it.
So as soon as we get to me give you back, oh, no problem.
I see I deal with the earth.
What you mean?
Alright.
What you
Let me
mean
see
if I
this.
saw me I deal with it? Since I
You
just
see some
care a
people,
little-
when you ain't come on me yard, come borrow money, happy. But now if you give me back my money, it's like a war, me have to come war for my money. Not true what that you say? Alright, don't worry, everything good. Everything good, earth. Come in, babe. Come in.
Better not go language part to now go. Cause waste your time. I carry a little dirty foot girl come around and so come go on like you want style me. I mean, I want to broke up the little idiot girl about she a draw hood. Sprago,
What go on there, say?
you know, so today was a bad day for me.
Eh,
Little more say I have to come bail me, you know.
Bail for what?
You know my friend doing we always come borrow money from me when he used to come tell me and they tell you how you man hungry and sick. And you always tell me say me not to lend him no money and me still give him and he take it and go buy food give him man. You don't know so me borrow one money from him.
You do what?
Me borrow one piece of money from him man 350,000 and if he take it do something. And you don't know say
Well,
him and his woman come to me For one piece of nice the woman depending she not even give me no time to talk to Dwayne. The girl they go on like I said she want warm me. Come with her disrespectful tongue and talk to me in a certain way. But let me tell you something, you know, Sprago. You better want Dwayne, you know, and tell to want the girl, you know. Because he come like they don't know say the wrong tree. He carry the girl to climb up on.
Earth, wait. And when you buy the money there?
About 3 months ago.
So me never know about that.
I know everything you tell me, so I never
You-
me tell you something.
Look here, man. Me tell you say me have some thing I deal with, some house I build up and thing. And me tell you for whole half. You really go buy from that the man there? You look ahead.
Hey, look, I call it me delete me head, but I told me when desperately in need of it. And then this girl come and come go on like I said she want come warm me and she don't know say me head no good.
Hold on there. Let me ask you a question. Over 3 months you borrow somebody money.
At 3 months I know exactly, not gone over yet.
Fine. Let me ask you a question. What if you the lend that the person their money? What do you really expect? You don't go and worse your money, yes or no?
Me not go and stop and doing and my friends.
You gonna tell me that?
Girl come to come style me, cause I lucky, you know. So me no lick down the little girl there, you know.
Listen me. With all due respect, you're wrong.
You hear me wrong to borrow it.
Yes.
But him have right to come borrow money from me.
And how you think me I go feel now for a man like me? Yes, and my woman owe people out the road and kind of money there.
That's why me never want to tell you from the beginning. Because me never want you in and no argument with me and they say them people are going to stay.
What?
Or how you are going to feel and want it for stick. No, me borrow it.
Look here, man. That is why I tell
Okay.
you, wait. Me say me I deal with some business, you know, wait, man.
Sprago, see how make me a call you Dwayne. Listen what me I say. You see, I sit me and tell you about Dwayne and I call you Dwayne. Listen what me I say now. You see Dwayne a youth when me ever lend any money he asks me for.
Me hear, man, me know
You know
that.
how much money Dwayne owe me right now? Sprago, I know a little bit of money Dwayne owe me right now. I told me not tell you.
So we have to rectify this now.
problem.
What happened now?
But me I tell you something. If you never know, I just told me never want to tell about it. I borrow the money and buy one car, you know. And the father money when me get.
Say I do things again I mean I know about?
No, me I tell you now. I
Oh my
just don't do
goodness.
it.
No, sir. No. This is with a proportion. You go ahead and deal with car business with the money you borrow from the man and me not know about it. You're double wrong, man. As what you say, them have all right to deal with you. How them deal with you. Because look how much things you do. All things you mean to know. Supposed to me to do that to you now. What that happen? As me woman. If me out the road I do other things I mean not
No,
tell
you
you.
can't mix up me with you, you know, you see Dwayne now. Me and Dwayne different as a friend. Me just don't like how you carrying little girl come there, come go like she want to style me and I know say me head no good. But different friend that me forgive her, you know.
Well,
But between me and you, Spraga, you know say, I know everything you tell me. I mean, no say you mental say me go borrow money from Dwayne to buy the car you that tell me no. Me buy the car to make your life better. At least you can put it on the road and run taxi. Dwayne soon get back his money, you know, if you go and so.
anyway, that's up to you, you know. You see, since me ain't know about nothing, you can stay there, so. And as I said before, when you're wrong to go borrow money.
Me wrong to borrow money from
Yes.
people who always borrow money from you.
Yes,
That
you're wrong. Alright? And that is long overdue.
I told me a woman make you say that.
Fine.
And because I never tell you from the beginning. But
Right.
that still not add up. It don't make no sense. Somebody borrow money from you all the while and ask you for anything and you give them. You must can borrow. I'm going to borrow back from them one at a time. Don't go to me not give him back the exact time when me say. Me tell him in a 3 months time. But me not have it right now to give him. I told me not have it right now to give me fees. So if you can woman come stand, me don't like what doing though.
I bet you go one of them loan shark, let them CMD loan people that are right. And I go through all them problems
And that me should have
do.
do. That me should have do, but everything good, man. Me go get back his money and give. Me not go war do
Right.
you know. I
You-
just
you-
yell me feel like when you licking in your face, you know.
Earth, you deal with that. Alright? You see this whole borrowing thing here? Eh? Always lead to problem, you know. Easy to get the money, but you see when they come on to pay back, eh? A pure problem. All the while. Me not put me in, not because I'm a woman. You go both ways. You understand me? Money hard to pay back. Easy to
Well,
get, hard to pay back.
Well, that's a true, because Dwayne give me $350,000 cash and me now have the whole life to give him one time, you know, you have to go worse a bex now, because a piece me I give him back. Or me ready, you know, chat to me now and tell you so me no want give him back.
You can't say, boy, no chat to you and you have a man things.
Then look how much somebody borrow money from me, and me give them and two they no want give me back, they malice me.
Boy,
That's true, that sound good, them no can do back Dwayne.
You
so.
see it?
The worst like how you make
You see, it's where the whole argument is about what? Money. Money. Money causes all kind of problem. See, and people fall out.
Somebody borrow money from you and then two they don't want to give back them malice you. You know what somebody do me, so me go try to do somebody's one speed, see if they feel how you feel. A wicked sitting that day.
Me say, you're my woman, but as me said before, I'm not going to repeat myself, you depend on your own.
Although maybe me not bother doing so, you know, because I'm virgin still, you know. Nah, do him so you see what they do me not go bother doing back. So
the money make you and your friend fall out.
No, me and Dwayne don't fall out. I ain't girl when care come there.
Well, whatever.
And me fall out.
Anyway. Headache I put on film headache, you know. So that you have to also deal with that.
Me hear what you say.
Yeah.
And me understand. Me accept what you say me wrong for borrow it, but through my friend, me think me can borrow anything from him, I can't borrow anything from him. But as soon as me get it back, me go give him. I just that me want to talk to you about.
Alright, then you say what I say, and that's it. But as me say, can't take no more headache from it.
So which part of Dre there?
Tajay, in Ram, so much that him all in down, so drop asleep in my bed. So go and go look him in my bed there sleep.
So in the bed and eat something?
Everything taken care of. Me I take care of things. Obviously you not. In there, he alright, he must sleep.
So I can't deal with me, so just
yeah, because you know what you do. You know what you do.
Sorry
you know what you do. Sorry.
Next time I tell you then.
You're supposed to be in this thing, even everything, every move where I make you tell me. You're supposed to tell me. Everything where we're supposed to go through, supposed to 50-50. So when you go around and you do your thing what me don't know about, these are the consequences. So anyway, as I say, baby asleep, so I'm going to deal with it. Alright? I'm alright. Boy.